How to add stops on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add stops on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding a stop to your ride means whenever you're on a ride and on the Lyft app, maybe you want to add a stop so that you want to maybe just stop in between your ride just to maybe purchase something, just to pick up somebody or anything as such. If you'd like to add such stops to your Lyft ride, it is very simple and easy to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Lyft application here. Once you launch the Lyft app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the enter pickup location option. Now after you've actually entered your pickup location, in this case let's say that maybe you want to actually add a stop to your ride. If you look right in between your start and a destination option, you'll find the little plus button over here, as you will be able to find it. So in order to be able to add a stop to your Lyft ride, just tap on the plus icon that you can find here. Just simply enter the location where you would like to simply put a stop to. After you've done that, you can add other stops if you want. Then you can simply go ahead and then enter your destination and then complete and book your ride in that way. This way you can add a stops on Lyft. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.